I think in boys we don't celebrate secret Santa. आपस में इतना उधार बाकी रहता है and there is nothing called as secret Santa भाई. तू पहले मेरे बाकी के पैसे क्लियर कर, फिर तुझे गिफ्ट देता हूँ मैं.
अरे यार.
Action.
Hi, I'm Kanchi.
And I'm Riya.
And you're officially part of the Slumber Party squad.
So welcome back to the Spoke to Suit pod.
Candy canes and cozy nights. All around us are Christmas lights.
I don't know if the rhyme was good, but you looked so happy that it was good.
Yeah, it was good.
It's cute. It's
and
cute.
guys, this is the last episode of the year. That's why from now onwards the rhyme can be anything. It's
Yeah.
a rule.
We're not gonna rhyme with pod anymore. We're out of words. We
Yeah.
can't do it anymore. But this was cute. Guys, look at our set. It's
And
Christmasified.
look at us.
Yeah! Guys, I love these pajamas.
Looks
I'm
very
gonna
cute.
live in them December.
Yeah.
I mean, we're obviously shooting this
Yeah.
early, but like, I'm gonna live in this in December.
Christmas Eve. It's Christmas Eve.
Yeah, it's
when
happy.
you're watching.
Merry Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
Guys, Christmas in India has become like a vibe, huh?
Yeah.
It never used to be, but now it's like a really big deal. And the cafes and all are all like lit.
I think mainly it's because of the cafes.
For sure.
Like the cute decor, people want to go and take pics, people want to have the yummy desserts,
Yeah.
the strawberry and cream, the strawberry matcha.
The strawberry and cream at Bachelor's. Oh my god, if you're a Mumbaiker, you know.
Overpriced.
Stop it, but it's so good.
Highly overpriced and overrated. You can I love it. I'm not telling you I hate it, but you can easily find something as
I
yummy
agree.
in a cheaper price.
It is the hype of the place, like how
Yeah.
Cream Center is also very
Yeah,
expensive for no
yeah,
reason. Like nachos for 600
Chole
bucks is
bhature.
crazy.
You
Yeah.
can have it anywhere.
By the way, guys, if y'all thought that this last episode of the year was a Reachy episode, y'all are absolutely
Wrong. You are highly mistaken. But they know they saw the thumbnail. We have an imposter on set.
Yeah.
Who is it?
Who is it?
Do
Who
you
could
want
it
to
be?
come, Sahil?
Come. Aye.
Hello. I sit here. Can I please? Okay. What
you
is the
need to
position like? Here,
go there,
there,
yeah.
here, over
Yeah,
there.
we are swapping.
Okay.
How is it to be back
Let's
on
go.
the pod?
लगता है सबने मना कर दिया इसलिए you all called me back again. I mean,
No.
why am I back? What's the scene?
That's rude.
No, we wanted you for the Christmas episode because
Acha.
you know that's the
And
vibe.
for the Christmas episode, we wanted someone who we can actually like look. It should look like a Christmas party.
Oh, let's go. Okay,
Yeah,
I
that's the
think
vibe.
my T-shirt says that do not disturb December,
Yeah, cute.
does that
and my birthday is in 3 days.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, happy birthday, Sahil.
Let's go. Okay, but I need to get back to this topic where you all were talking about cafes and all. Bro, Chantilly के बाहर जो फालतू का crowd आता है, it's the most hyped hot chocolate.
No, not the hot chocolate, the cheesecake.
Oh,
It's
with
for
the Nutella and
cheesecake.
strawberry on even the hot
That
chocolate.
is nice.
You don't
but
like
And the strawberry with chocolate sauce. Yeah.
But फालतू का crowd, like it's so crowded. I mean,
Yeah, it is.
You never get place, and there are people standing and eating out also.
It's
Yeah.
like just to look cool, people will be like, oh man, Chantilly का hot chocolate पी लिया है, cheesecake खा लिया है, and
You
all
get
that.
it
Crazy.
anywhere else.
It looks Christmassy, na?
Yeah,
Last year, you remember where we went? We went to dessert therapy.
Yeah.
It was so good.
That's true.
It was so
Yeah.
good. Very Christmas
Dessert
vibes.
therapy. What did we eat?
Pancakes?
Some kind of waffles.
Some cheesecake?
Yeah, it was so.
Yeah.
Sahil was not there. It was just
Waffles
us.
was not with me. They only keep eating waffles, both of
Yeah.
them.
Sahil
Yeah.
had a waffle obsession.
And now
Yep,
even
that's
Kanchi
true.
has it. When we
No,
went to
no, no.
Delhi,
I do not.
yeah, if I make you choose between pancakes and waffles, you'll always pick waffles.
True.
Yeah, na?
Yeah. But I'm not obsessed. Sahil orders waffles like 1 in the night.
You still do that?
No. Now I don't. Hey, sorry. No. Now I don't. I don't order waffles like this. But I think last we had was in Desert Republic. भाई नया जगह है. Damn crazy
Yeah, it's
waffles,
too
bro.
good.
So they have this thing where you can make your own waffle.
Yeah, you can choose whatever
Where they
topping.
give you all the chocolate ka
Oh,
this
sick.
what was that?
Sauce?
Milk chocolate?
Yeah, milk chocolate, like you want
White
dark
chocolate, dark
chocolate,
chocolate.
white, Nutella.
And bro, crazy. Nutcracker ka 7-layer cookie.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh.
Nutcracker
Top notch.
during Christmas is too good.
The 7-layer cookie throughout the year.
Yeah, it's too
anytime.
good. Yeah. There are so many nutcrackers now. There are like 6 nutcrackers
Yeah,
or
that's
something. Crazy good for
The
them.
white chocolate pancake with strawberries.
मिड है भाई,
Okay,
ये लोग ना
wait,
फालतू में हाइप कर
No,
देते हैं सब
Sahil,
चीजों पे.
Sahil removes all the strawberries.
was
It's
a-
such
I don't
a
like
bite
strawberries.
killer.
No, wait, Sahil, can you please explain everyone why don't you eat fruits?
Why don't you eat
It's
fruits?
just a me thing. I don't like it, so I don't eat it.
Have you ever tried it?
Yeah,
Which fruit have you tried?
I have tried. नहीं बोलना,
one?
नहीं बोलना.
Apple or something. Something
Yeah.
lame it must
Apple
be.
and orange is the only fruit he eats.
Yeah, I eat apple, orange, watermelon.
Okay,
No,
not bad.
I've not seen you eat watermelon.
You've not seen तो उसमें what I don't eat or what? Huh?
He doesn't
Then
eat fruits.
bananas.
No, out.
I do
Never.
eat
I
bananas.
don't believe
He,
you.
he's lying.
Then mango.
Okay,
Mango
mango is
Yes.
believable.
5.
Mango also you have it not as the fruit.
हाँ.
Oh, like
Only
a milkshake.
the armrest,
Amras.
yes.
Yeah.
Oh. That's cheating, huh?
Me.
I've never seen anyone remove strawberries from a pancake. Only you.
Me. I remove it. I don't like strawberries. वो मतलब चॉकलेट को सिर्फ चॉकलेट की तरह खाओ ना. क्यों मिक्स करना है? चॉकलेट विद सैंडविच, चॉकलेट विद डोसा, चॉकलेट विद ये,
Who
चॉकलेट
eats
विद
that?
स्ट्रॉबेरी. नहीं पसंद है. People eat it.
Chocolate with dosa?
Kanji eats chocolate sandwich
I love
Chocolate sandwich is still doable.
with
It's a
cheese.
thing.
No, I've never eaten
Kanji,
that.
shut up. You have.
I'm not. He has eaten this.
You eat chocolate?
I'm not believing.
No, she
Don't
doesn't.
lie, Kanji. Just
Don't
like
scam
how you
me.
lied about matcha in the previous episode. Stop lying about all of these stuff, bro. She's a fake influencer.
Hey.
Sahil,
मस्ती नहीं कर रहा हूँ, but yeah.
accept the fact after that episode till today,
हाँ, yeah. Say na.
have you become a matcha person?
I like matcha now. It's nice, but I wouldn't willingly order it or have it unless Kanchi is with me.
I can literally prove him wrong. He posted a story from Thailand. Ki I'm having matcha voluntarily without kanji. And that day we were going for an event and I was getting coffee. And I asked him, Sahil, what do you want? He's like, I think I'll have a matcha today. And Kanchi did not tell him to have the matcha.
Yes.
He chose to have it.
So there's a backstory behind this. In Thailand, Kanchi was on the FaceTime with me and she told me I will pay you 2,000 rupees if you order matcha
I
right
never
now.
said anything like
So
this.
I did that. Now if you all want to believe me, you all can.
Guys,
and if you all don't want to, then you all can believe Kanchi.
I want to make
You all-
a
you all
statement
can, I mean-
here that Sahil is a big fakoo. Like, you never know when
Wow,
he's lying
wow.
or when he's saying the truth. You never know it.
Yeah, you can't tell, huh? And sometimes he scams you so like
Smooth.
straight face,
Nonchalant.
You can't tell. Like you don't know what's happening, and
You
sometimes
know, in Mumbai, police can never catch me. Because
Why?
I'm non-chalan.
that was too bad. That was a dad joke.
But okay, tell us about, have you had any crazy Secret Santa experiences, like some fails or...
Oh, Secret Santa. नहीं. No, नहीं यार. So when I used to work at this corporate job, Secret Santas were, to be honest, boring.
Yeah, I
Because they
agree.
give you a 400-500 rupee का budget, उसमें कुछ नहीं आता है.
Yeah,
To be very honest.
facts.
And I got a phone cover. It was
Phone
nice.
cover is a good gift.
Yeah, it's a good gift. Phone cover is a good gift.
But how
Did you
did they
make
know
a-
your phone cover?
No, you know, corporates do this thing. I'm gonna intervene. They do this thing where they make an Excel sheet, okay? And on the Excel sheet, everyone's names are there and they have their wish list. So people can add and write what they want. So suppose I'm your Secret Santa and you've written like sweaters, matcha set, matcha cup, something like that. I'll have to like look on those lines and get you something you want. If I want to get you a
But
good
I
gift.
don't think this is all corporates. No
Oh,
one,
is it not all
everyone
corporates?
doesn't give wish lists.
Oh, where my
I don't know,
friends
where
work
I
too.
used to work, they had this link. उसमें you can put things you want, things you don't want.
Oh,
Don't
yeah.
want.
But
yeah.
मस्ती में if you write something you don't want, सामने वाला कि मैं यही लाके दूंगा.
What did you get?
I just
Phone
remember my
cover.
one gift. I think I got a phone cover, yeah. And उसके पहले वाले में जो Secret Santa पे था, वो उस दिन ऑफिस ही नहीं आया था. So I didn't get my gift, so he G-paid me the 500 rupees.
That's a very bad.
That is so lame.
Yeah.
I don't
Actually,
like this. That,
But it's better than
it's a
getting
good
a
idea, yeah, bro.
500 rupees is better than getting
but
a
getting
bakwas
a gift is a different feeling. Like
True.
opening it and seeing the surprise element.
Yeah.
Like GPay to
Yeah,
Fine.
GPay is not the vibe for Christmas. But my dad always gives me an envelope for Christmas and I'm okay with it. Father, keep it coming.
That was very ironic of her of saying father on Christmas.
you gift anyone some bad gifts. Like
No. I am a very good gifter. I feel like I give the best gifts. and I put a lot of thought into my gift.
Like,
Like
some
for example, Ria's one birthday, I got her face mask printed
That was very funny.
because it was
For
funny
everyone.
That
for
was
everyone.
very-
Yeah.
Everyone was wearing my face ka mask. It was a moment. That was very sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's
But it was an ugly picture of me.
the whole point. That is the whole point.
Yeah, that was cute. He gives
Thank
good
you.
gifts, bro. Once on my birthday, he got me flowers also.
Yeah.
Oh,
to get flowers.
Oh, hello. Kya?
I told him.
I remember, like there were 3 or 4 boys, which is quite rare. It's usually like, you know, people's friends that come for my birthday. And that year, 2 boys got me flowers. And they were not like, they were like, you know, like bhai type boys.
Yeah.
Like, you know, so
Ah,
it's
chale,
sweeter.
chale. That also Kanchi told me, see, these are nice. You can get these ones. I think Ria will like these ones. Okay.
Yeah, I don't think boys know what flowers to get
No.
for whom.
No.
Do you wanna still like want me to say that statement again
No.
that flowers are overrated?
No.
No, bas to fir.
But this is another thing. It's another topic.
But do you know how to choose good
Yeah.
flowers? Would you be able to go and
Yeah,
get
yeah,
a
yeah.
bouquet
Easy,
made
easy,
for...
easy. Yeah. Aram se.
I don't think so.
Aram se.
I
Even
think
I
Kanchi... Yeah, I think Kanchi...
I can, abe like... I think all girls want just थोड़ा colorful flowers, बस थोड़ा ऐसा color वालर
Why?
दिख गया
ऐसा
तो
कुछ
दिल
नहीं
भी
है।
लगा, oh my God,
कुछ
हाँ,
भी.
बस.
No.
I think that's the scene.
No.
थोड़ा एक
sorry.
sunflower डाल दो बीच में,
I mean, that is Kanchi's
आसपास
vibe,
में
yes.
पर्पल पिंक फ्लावर्स, व्हाइट कलर के वो थोड़े फ्लावर्स होते हैं वो डाल दो, फिर थोड़ा कैसा, so I think that's a good bouquet. Like it, I think the whole point of giving someone a bouquet is that it should look nice.
Can I
That's
give you a
it.
tip?
Yes.
When you get a bouquet now, don't put the plastic around the flowers.
Nobody puts the plastic around the flowers. No.
Nobody puts it.
No. I don't think so.
You should put the brown paper.
Yeah.
Okay.
That makes it look classy.
Aesthetic.
If you ever...
Got it. Noted.
If you ever think that flowers are not overrated, you want to give
Yeah,
someone
if you
flowers.
feel like you
Noted.
wanna get.
Noted.
Yeah.
No, I will still stand by my statement that flowers are overrated. I'll only give ऐसा जब मेरे को लगता है कि ठीक है भाई अभी दे ही देता हूँ.
Fine.
Okay. So if flowers are overrated, what would be a secret Santa gift you would give someone if you were their Santa and you didn't know who your
You don't know them.
secret child was? Because our team told us ki, what they used to do in office is that everyone used to bring gifts and they used to mix up all the gifts. And then anyone would get anything. So you have to buy a random universal gift for someone.
That's so weird.
It's
I
so
think a
difficult.
universal gift is power bank.
Oh,
Sahil, that's such
सबसे
a good
useful.
girl, boy, anyone can.
that's a good gift.
Yeah. Then
Good job.
yeah, I think power bank is the
Killing
best
it,
one.
yeah.
Yeah, that was
That
good.
was
good.
amazing.
Yeah. What would you give?
Bro, I. Matcha said. No. I genuinely don't know what's
It's
what's a
difficult.
universal gift.
Like now I'm thinking on the gadgets line only, like earphones or something. But I don't know
But
the
people
budget.
are picky on that also. Some
I think a
people
sling
like
bag.
sling bag.
A sling bag. A normal sling bag,
Yeah,
bro. Like
like a
people can just
black,
put things,
brown
yeah, like a
sling
black
bag.
brown
Maybe
sling bag.
I think I would give someone like a gym workout bag.
Cute.
Anyone can use it.
Cute, yeah, like a Nike
A neutral
Puma type.
color.
Yeah.
Nike Puma
Grey.
is
Expensive for
and I
the
don't think
Secret
corporate
Santa.
Secret Santa में 500-600 के ऊपर कोई budget रखता
Yeah,
है.
budget is
Or
not
like a good
permittable.
good tumbler.
Yeah, like a coffee cup that they can drink matcha
Cup
also.
is a good gift.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think Secret Santas and corporates, it's like, you know, peanuts can be anything. Like you can use it for food, for that chakna, but it is people's salary.
Sahil, you just have come for the one-liners. I have this very, very cute Secret Santa tradition that's been going on for almost 8, 9, 7, 8 years for sure.
Why
Like,
don't know with me?
we never do. Why we don't do?
You should do.
दो जन में क्या Secret Santa करेंगे
We'll do
भाई
with
ये
you,
लोग?
we'll do with you.
Yeah, we do it.
Wow.
I don't want Sahil as my secret Santa, though. I want Kanchi.
I think we do something nice.
No, I want him.
Yeah, so my school group, since we were in 9th standard, we started doing this, and it's like 12 girls. And every time we do like, we put up chits, and like you have to find out who you get, and people genuinely don't tell like who is whose Secret Santa, like the secret is actually kept.
Yeah.
Like, in December start only we reveal we see the chits and all, and then we meet during Secret Santa whenever we want to do it, and everyone like actually gets a very 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 thoughtful gift, like
Damn.
a crazy gift, and it's like so nice, and it's still continued even after school got over, college got over. Like this year also we are going to do it. It's like the 7th or 8th consecutive year that we are doing this, and it's the most wholesome day ever. Like I always look forward to Secret Santa, and I always look forward to who I'm going to get this time, because like 12 people, imagine you can literally get anyone.
This time your person is must.
Yeah, you know what's possible. Yeah, I have to plan a gift for that, but yeah.
That'll be fun.
Yeah.
Even I do Secret Santa. I've done Secret Santa a few times with my school friends. And my school friends is not like 12 people, it's like 4 people. And we did Secret Santa, but it was really sad because I feel like in a group now, some people are better gift givers and some people are
That
mid.
happens. That still happens.
Yeah, but in our group, like I got Saksh, which is my friend you all
Yeah.
know now. She gave me the best gifts, and she had just gone to UK, so she
Oh.
came back with like amazing stuff for me. And her Secret Santa didn't show up last minute on the day of like the gift giving day. Okay, so she was like, "I'll send you your gift. I'll send you your gift." And Bichari, she didn't get a gift that day, and she never sent her the gift.
I hate this. I hate when this happens. Like
Yeah.
in our group, it's a rule.
Yeah.
If you're not coming, you
Send
have
your
to send the gift that day itself.
She didn't show up. She didn't give her a gift, and she gave me such nice gifts. I was feeling so bad. Then I gave her something for Christmas.
Yeah.
To make up for her Secret Santa.
Obviously.
But Bakwas Secret Santa. We're not friends with her anymore. Anyway.
But that's very sad.
Yeah, it's
Why are we
fun.
doing it then?
That's what. My family goes all out for Christmas.
Yeah, I know that.
My house is like very decked out and very extra, and there's Christmas tree and there's that wreath at my door.
Yeah.
And we just decorate for everything. Diwali.
Jai Diwali.
Sahil.
Yeah, very extra. And we put gifts under
Hmm.
the Christmas tree for each other. We collect them the whole month.
Oh, whole month you
Yeah.
give gifts.
Yeah. Like, no, we keep collecting gifts for each other.
Huh.
So, under the Christmas tree, it looks full, you know, it looks like it's a
Oh,
good, happy
that's
home.
so
It's a happy
cute.
And then on Christmas, we
You
give each other
open
the
it.
gifts.
Yeah.
Yeah. And even if we're giving something to someone else, which I remember once, years ago, I gave you something.
Yeah.
Some TP gift only I
Yeah.
gave you. Your gift was also under the tree.
Oh,
For like a while, yeah.
I'll give you a gift this year.
Yeah, I'll keep it under the tree.
Yeah,
Give it to me
cool.
5-6 days pehle. I'll keep
Yeah,
it
I'll
under
buy it from Thailand.
Yeah, okay, done.
Crazy.
Sahil.
You should also give gift.
Yeah.
Christmas gift.
No, you know
Bichara, you know,
Yeah, that
his
only.
birthday
Yeah.
and Christmas, you must be only getting one gift.
Yeah, I mean, see, I have never celebrated as a Secret Santa or Christmas and all, because I think in boys we don't celebrate Secret Santa. आपस में इतना उधार बाकी रहता है, and there is nothing called as Secret Santa भाई. तू पहले मेरे बाकी के पैसे क्लियर कर, फिर तुझे गिफ्ट देता हूँ मैं.
अरे यार.
Okay. But yeah, sometimes I think of giving Sahil a gift, but then I'm already thinking of so much for his birthday. Now, how can I think more?
Yeah, facts, fair.
Fair enough.
And it's a stressful thing to give birthday
What do you want
gift.
on your birthday, Sahil?
Give a birthday wish list.
PS5?
Like a doable wish list.
Yeah, affordable.
PS5
wish
controller.
list.
You won't
Kidding,
have
I'm
it.
kidding, it's a joke.
Say na, what's your actual dream gift? Don't just say PS5.
I don't have a dream gift यार, दे दे भाई जो देना है, ठीक है.
Say na some wish list.
नहीं, I don't have a wish list kind of.
I
thing.
think you are low-key
Genuinely.
materialistic.
He literally said that. Like, I know you every time you give me shoes, but like this time also I wouldn't mind it.
So you want sneakers.
No, so I told her that I'll buy it. You give me something else. But you're
never said
anyway
that.
going to Bangkok, right?
Yeah.
So get me something from there.
Cool.
Get
At
me
this
like
point, our
4 or
Bangkok
5.
trip is done, by the way.
Yeah, you all have seen everything out of it.
Like, get me 4-5 जोड़ी shoes ऐसा, like
What?
4-5?
ऐसा
Who do you
2
think I am?
chappal.
Even if she can afford it, how will she carry it back? We only have one stroller to fill up our
Yeah.
shopping.
That's
And I'll shop
her
for
problem.
myself.
That is your problem.
We'll be on a hunt for Sahil's
you-
gift.
Yeah.
At
we will be
least you
on a
can get
hunt
me
for
2 pair of shoes.
Yeah.
One shoe and maybe slippers.
Slippers I can go and get from West Side. Please. They make very nice Birkenstock chappals.
This is not a collab, by the way. This is his opinion. What else happens in December?
New Year plans, भाई क्या है New Year
So
plans? What are your
smart.
plans this year?
We have not yet made any
We don't have
plans. I don't have.
plans. Yeah.
Last time we went to Kamshet.
Yeah, it was so
Yeah.
fun.
Damn fun, yeah.
It's always a good vibe because the weather is good and it's chill and Sahil is in his element usually.
Yes.
He enjoys, yeah. It's like a
Crazy.
nice getaway for us.
Yeah.
Do you prefer getting out of the city during New Year's or being in the
See,
city?
I'll be honest, I like both.
Yeah.
Like if I am in Mumbai and we are partying, also fun. When if we are not here, we are away, we are just relaxing and all that also I like. So दोनों अच्छा है
But
भाई.
I don't like, if I'm in Mumbai, I don't like going out anywhere.
Like you don't want to go to a club?
Yeah, like, that's so weird.
I think nobody
cannot
goes
be.
to a club anymore. I think
People
the
go.
proper Mumbai people, they still do house parties.
Yes.
On
Yeah.
New Year's. I
Locals,
think that's
yes.
a hot take.
Yeah.
But people still,
Facts.
like, you know, people keep asking where
They are
you
kids.
going. They're
Yeah,
kids.
I
Yeah.
think they are those people who have just finished their school and they want to party because they don't get that permission. So, मतलब it's their time कि भाई हाँ इस बार 31st में मैं clubbing करूँगा
And
या
on New Year's, their
करूँगी. I think
parents
we
also
would
know.
also do the same. Like I remember my after 10th or 12th, no not 12th, after 10th the 31st that like went to some place जहाँ
Yeah.
पे clubbing वगैरह था. We
And
did
you,
parties and
you
all.
pay like some 3-4K
Yeah.
and there's cover
3-4K
charge.
cover
and-
charges and all.
It's
Yeah,
not
fine.
even worth it.
Now it's like 8K by the way.
Huh?
People charge insane amounts for
Rather
New
just
Year's.
stay home.
Yeah.
And chill.
But people like going out. We don't care about it as much.
Yeah.
But people really like the whole vibe of going to a club and wearing something shiny,
Yeah, yeah.
like, you know, dressing up and all. 8-10K for one night of partying is insane.
I think bro ठीक है इतना खर्चा हो ही जाता है.
Hey,
If you're having alcohol also इतना खर्चा तो happens
I
only
guess
bro.
in Bombay, alcohol is expensive.
Yeah, if
Yeah,
you're
it's
not
very
having
expensive.
alcohol then 8,000 is very expensive. 8,000 का क्या खाना खाऊं मैं?
No, and they don't even have
Parcel
food.
भी नहीं कर
yaar.
सकता उतना.
No, they don't have food. On New Year's, they barely feed you.
I don't like going clubbing.
Oh, that's so
unless-
controversial. We didn't know that about
Listen,
you.
unless it's just my closest people, I wouldn't go. And I don't like
Kanchi
She
is
doesn't even
very
come with
moody.
us.
She's very moody. If she likes clubbing, then she likes clubbing like anything. And if she if she doesn't like, then she'll stand alone in a corner and be like, "Chalo ghar, chalo ghar."
Yeah, because sis, I'm
don't
not
come na
vibing.
then.
Even if you go out of Bombay, like when we go to Kamshet, we always have to stay for an extra day, which is fine for us because we don't have to go back to work or anything. But when people do have to go back to work, they have to leave on the 1st.
That's so
On
boring.
the 1st, the whole city is like
Packed.
clogged.
Jammed.
Yeah, it's packed.
Crazy traffic, yeah.
You can't leave on the 1st and you can't leave on the 31st also to go for New Year's Eve.
Yeah.
It's very hectic
It's
to
too
drive
much
on that
to
day.
do. And-
Food courts are full, roads are
Whoa,
full.
I have a very nice opinion or maybe a hot take or I don't know what.
A warm take.
Not a warm take or maybe a question. What do you guys think about those people whose birthdays are on 31st
I was just gonna
December?
say that. I don't like.
Poor thing, bro.
I don't like
I
it.
mean, everybody's stealing the thunder.
Yeah.
And no one will come for the party. Like, suppose they keep a party on the 1st. Like, people are like, I just partied yesterday.
I don't
Why would
think they would keep a party.
Like,
They
it
would keep
happens
a
with
New
me.
Year's party.
Yeah, like a Diwali birthday, New Year's
But
birthday.
Yeah.
Diwali's still fine.
It happens with me because my birthday is on 28th December and it's like 2 days, 3 days away, like before the main 31st party night. So when I host a party or something, people are like, 3 दिन में वापस पार्टी करनी है भाई. मैं 3 दिन में वापस जा रहा हूँ अलीबाग,
Yeah.
कामशेत, करजत,
Yeah.
लोनावला. तो अभी मैं तेरे साथ आऊंगा, फिर वापस आके वापस जाना है. तो it becomes a little hectic for those whose birthdays in the last week of December.
Yeah.
When your
Especially after
birthday
Christmas.
Yeah, when your birthday is now that 5 days between Christmas to New Year's is a very random week.
It's like,
Yeah,
You
yeah,
don't
it is,
know.
it is. Like it goes very fast.
Yeah, like what do you do with your life at that time?
Yeah.
Do you work?
No.
Oh,
Do
I
you
have a hot
party?
take.
No.
I have a hot take. I have a hot take.
Give it.
Okay. जिन लोग का बर्थडे दिसंबर में आता है,
हाँ.
they have to wait the
they
entire.
have to wait the entire year for their birthday.
We just
Bro.
had this conversation in the last episode.
No, we didn't have it in the pod. Oh, we had it in the. We had it off camera.
It wasn't on camera? No, it
No,
was
it
on
was on
camera.
camera. Yeah.
The whole March, April thing.
Yeah,
how
yeah,
we- yeah, June comes very fast. We had it on the
Yeah,
pod
but
in
you
the
have,
last
you have to wait a lot, na? Sai?
Yeah, bro, like
He doesn't have to be wait so long.
no. Like for my birthday to come, I have to go through every single person's birthday and then my birthday comes.
Yeah.
So December में जिसका भी birthday आता है उसको irrespective I feel like ज़्यादा wait करना पड़ता है.
Listen, what about the person born in Jan? He has to pass through your birthday also.
I don't care. मैं December वालों के लिए खराब लगता है because like
But can I say,
हाँ.
I would like this because I can see like which friend has done how much for my birthday and how much they've participated.
That's true.
And what gift they've
yes,
given.
you know like how in school it would be like because my birthday is in December, then I would be like okay, जैन सब तक मुझे किस किसने उसके बर्थडे में बुलाया. I have to call them on my birthday also.
Yeah.
And if they didn't give you how, you don't have to call them.
हाँ.
Yeah, this
So I
is
think that's a
good.
plus point for us.
Yeah.
But I think the best birthdays are somewhere in between mid, like from April to July.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
And
I'll
if
tell
your
you why.
birthday is in monsoon, you are not.
Yeah.
Shut up. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why.
Host को shut up
You don't have to wait, bro. मतलब अभी तेरा birthday खत्म अभी वापस आ गया.
That's
Like I
true.
literally remember Ria's both birthdays. Like it's very ऐसा
Clear.
कि अभी तो हुआ था सब.
I don't remember your birthday that clearly.
See?
What was your birthday? like?
Exactly.
Yeah.
We did a karaoke night.
Yeah.
That was your 100K celebration,
No,
na?
that was last year's birthday.
Oh.
Lighthouse Cafe.
Yeah.
See? Told
No
you.
one remembers
याद
the
भी नहीं
birthday.
रहता है.
Remember mine?
Yeah.
Yours was abhi, bro.
Last.
Yeah, we went to Zerua.
Oh yeah, for dinner. Yeah. Correct. And that was only 3 of us.
Yeah.
That time I was in my
No friends era.
yeah,
2 friends era.
2 friends.
Yeah. You know another thing that happens in December, which is a full vibe, is college fest.
Oh yes, a lot of college fests happens in
Tis the
December.
season.
You have experienced too many.
Yeah, bro, crazy.
Participated and
Yeah.
You were a college fest boy in college, na?
Yeah, bro.
big one.
Yeah. I think the best fest or one of the best fest that happens in December is Mood Indigo.
What is that?
It is Bombay IIT ka festival and it is the biggest. Like it is, I think it is Asia's biggest festival. And the campus is so huge कि एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जाने के लिए तुम्हें बस में जाना पड़ता है.
What?
Oh.
Can't
And the
relate.
lineup and everything is insane. Like crazy artists come and they perform. Like
You participated.
yeah. I've danced in Mood Indigo.
Crazy.
And the crowd over there is insane. Like बहुत मस्त crowd होता है उधर. Like people are just very hyped up and
Which colleges participate in this? All.
all
big
colleges
ones,
because it's the
yeah.
biggest one. It's Bombay IIT
It's
ka
IIT
festival.
ka fest.
Insane.
Yeah.
Did you
Would
like?
go invite us?
Yeah, call us. S2S live podcast.
Yeah.
Do you like organizing more or participating more?
Ooh. I think organizing.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you have that power trip. कि वो वॉकी टॉकी लेके चल बे अरे मेरा गेस्ट आ रहा है ह्यूमन चेन बनाओ यू सो मस्ती या
You know, guys, we were in like 13th, first year of our degree college.
No one has ever said 13th.
And we were organizing a fest, Kiran, and Sahil was he had already organized that fest for 3 years, and now so they had made him the dance HOD.
Yeah.
And Sahil was
Hero.
taking interviews to find his assistant HOD. Yeah, listen now. And I was obviously that time, Sahil and I were friends, but I was scared of Sahil because in that interview, he was so scary. He was not how he normally talks. He was actually scary, and I was like, shit, I don't want to be his assistant.
Why? What did he
HOD.
say? What did he
He
do?
was scary. His vibe was different.
He's like,
because
"तो
in
क्या आता है?"
college when
And then he
like you're
selected
like
me, but then throughout the process also I was scared. Till the fest I was scared.
What did
see
he do?
see basically in college you are like if a dance HOD or someone you have that as a aura or something you're like चल बे तू मेरी coordinator है
Yeah.
तो fun यार मतलब when you are in college and you get that thing कि I have to take interviews so
Yeah.
you're in that अलग ego and attitude
And
but
I
then
was-
You're right.
later you get that कि all of this is very बचका
Yeah, it's like full TP at the end of
Yeah.
it. But when you're doing it, it feels like the whole world revolves around that one fest.
Yeah,
Those 2 days
yeah.
are the biggest days of
I
your
was
life.
so scared because up till now Sahil had done it for 3 years in a row.
2 years
2 years. And that time also he was like killing it. And this was my first time. So imagine like he's that person who's so scary. And I have to give the interview and I was so scared.
But you made her, na? She
Yeah,
was,
yeah,
yeah.
Yeah.
Good job.
there were 5 so the thing was I was the dance HOD and I had 5 assistant coordinators and Kanchi was one of them.
Were you co-HOD or is there only one
No, I
HOD?
was one
He was
dance,
one.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, ऐसे था?
Yes, sir.
No, when we were HODs, there was like 2 to 3 people in each
Committee.
Oh,
committee,
no.
yeah.
Because I had done it for 2 years, so they were like, "तू अकेला ही कर दे."
special treatment for
And
Sahil.
Sahil was also gonna become the CP or something.
Vice, मतलब VCB के लिए we had spoken and all, but then At that point only, I got an internship in C21. So I was like, this is better than this. तो मैंने छोड़ दिया. But
Do you think that was a good decision?
yeah, very good decision. But I think college fest, after you are like graduated, you feel कि ये तो बहुत overrated है भाई.
Yeah, like you feel like in college you could have interned somewhere. You wasted a lot of time doing that. And they keep telling
I
you.
wouldn't say wasted your time because
Because
it
it's an
genuinely
experience.
is a very nice experience and you
Memories.
make very good friends. So college fest are nice,
Yeah.
but then after a point you realize कि तो same चीज हर साल repeat करते ही जा रहे हैं.
Yeah.
So college fest are a 8 on 10.
Random.
But in college, if you're not doing a college fest, I feel like you're a side character.
Yeah.
If you're like organizing and all, you're the main character, you know? You're
Yes,
like,
agreed.
you feel important in college.
Agreed.
When I did, I wanted to be the HOD of the department, and in our thing, it was called core and sub-core team. So I wanted to be in the core team, and this was in my first year where I was like, yeah, I'll do. And then second, third year went in COVID. So in second year, I started making content. And then after I started making content and we went back in the third year, they had already chosen me. And at that time, I didn't want to do it because I wanted to focus on content. And I was like, now I don't have time for this. But then they didn't give us an option. They were like, now you're already chosen. And in third year, no one wanted to be. Everyone wanted to focus on like their projects and their final exams and stuff like that. And in our thing, core was second year. They forced me to be, and I was like, shit, this was so worth it. Thank God they
But
made
you
me do it.
enjoyed, you had
I
such a
loved
good
it.
time.
Yeah, I was like, thank God I did it.
And like Jehind and Casey and all are
Fests are crazy, yeah.
Yeah.
College fest overall is a vibe. You make friends, you have a very like crazy time.
Yeah.
And
And
especially those main days, like when the fest is on.
You
That
sleep
time
for
though
like
you
2-3
would sleep
hours.
in school, college, no?
Yeah, bro, I've spent the night in college also.
You didn't come back home?
Yeah, whole night. And now it's even more crazy when they invite us as guests.
Yeah, I
now we
think so.
actually know what's happening.
Yeah.
Like behind the scenes.
And like when they say that we really need a guest by tomorrow, we know that you really
You
need a
really
guest
need
by tomorrow because we've lived
Yeah,
it.
No, I was saying that I really don't like it when they make the human chain.
Yeah.
I literally tell them like,
No.
can you not do that? Like, I do not need it. I do not need it. Like, I can go, and especially if I'm going to my own college.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
need it here.
I love going back to my own
Yeah,
college.
it's
Like,
the sweetest.
I don't go anywhere else.
I think
keep
it's the
going there.
best validation you could get. If like your own
Yes.
school or college, if they call you back, it's like you feel ke bhai, where I was there once and I'm at the other side of it, is the best validation.
Bro,
Yeah.
the peakest peak was when Sahil and I were in the third year and we were still studying and they called us as a
As a
judge.
judge, yeah.
It was
That's so cool. You were
insane.
still in college?
Yeah.
Peak, yeah.
Crazy. That's too cool,
Yeah.
huh?
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
very cool.
That was damn fun.
School, if they call you back to school, you're an icon.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to go back
अब
to my
तक
school.
हुआ नहीं है
Can you
मेरी
call
स्कूल
me?
बुला मुझे
I went and I judged a dance competition.
When?
Long ago. Like 4 years
नहीं,
ago.
I don't want to go and ऐसा
yeah.
give speech on ऐसा annual day and all के you know that ऐसा शेख चिल्ली वाले ऐसा thought जो है कि मेरे जैसा बनना है मैं बताता हूँ कैसे
Chilli.
This is completely like not related. But Sahil went for Travis Scott, okay? And I saw his story and I was flipping out.
What
like,
is it called?
He was in a mosh pit.
Ah,
Yeah.
mosh pit.
And he was so dedicated to it. He was like, Nicholas up, Pichato. And I was
I
laughing
have a
so
question. Can you explain what is a
mosh pit.
So basically, mosh pit is like when the concert is on, before the beat drops, it's like a circle. Hundreds of people make a circle. बीच में space है. And y'all are like waiting for the beat to drop. So y'all are like, and as soon as the beat drops, all of y'all together, y'all jump inside on each other.
But why on each other? Just jump.
You won't understand.
It looks
Because
gross.
there's a difference between TS and TS.
Taylor Swift and Travis Scott.
Wow, what decoding you have done.
Crazy. But I
don't
think
you get
December
hurt?
is
Don't
also.
you get
You
hurt?
do.
I
You
mean,
do, you
bro,
get
I
completely
had.
wounded.
I'm saying.
Arey yaar.
I had.
Do
a-
not cut off my host.
Say na, say na.
I had a very bad muscle spasm, and I was like, first 3 mosh pits, I was like, ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. Fourth, I was like, बाहर में जाए muscle spasm, मैं घुस रहा हूँ अंदर.
Bro, it looks nerve-wracking. I would
Damn
die.
nice, बहुत मजा आता है. But I think December is also concert season.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Full on, especially in like Bombay because the weather
Yeah,
is
yeah.
nice. Either
Race
monsoon-
course, MMRDA,
I don't
BKG.
like that.
Race course ka location is bakwas.
Race course is one of the best location, but I think a hot take would be कि वो चलना अगर कम हो
Yeah,
जाता,
if there's a
experience would be 10 on 10.
If there's a
Yeah.
buggy,
yeah.
that's very VIP of me. But
Yeah.
if there's a buggy, it'll be much.
And I also
What's the
think,
best concert of your life?
I think Coldplay was nice.
Yeah,
DY
Coldplay
Patil.
was
Coldplay, yeah.
But personally, for me, Ed Sheeran was too good.
Ed Sheeran was actually.
It
too
was
good.
like I was enjoying the music and the fact that the stage was in the middle and we
And
weren't
you
like
could
all the way at the
be
back.
anywhere around.
Yeah, you could be any
I
like
think Lollapalooza is always the best.
overhyped.
No, I'll tell you why. Because y'all have always gone there to shoot. Y'all have not gone there to enjoy the
We always
concert.
go there for a
We go there for
collab.
work. Yeah.
Trust me, Lollapalooza ka management is top notch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was also my best concert experience in the sense that I went in some lounge to shoot. And they sent a private car to pick me up and all. I was
Yeah.
like, wow, who am I? Why are they doing this? It was very cool.
Yeah, so Lollapalooza ka management is nice, the artists they get, and the overall vibe of Lollapalooza is damn nice. I feel Lollapalooza is a good festival.
Okay, should we play a game?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
okay, let's play a game. Let's play a game.
Explain.
I have a game for y'all.
We don't know what's on.
Okay, let's go, guys. The game is very simple. You know, these two girls, they have a habit of, ये है मेरी मेकअप की चीज और you guess the prize. Uno reverse time, boys.
What?
I have a few things and you all have to guess the prize. Okay?
What? Okay.
Okay.
He has become the host.
So the game is guess the prize, Uno reverse.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Chalo.
Okay.
What is the price of petrol per liter?
Ria would know. Ria drives. Ria drives and fills petrol also. I don't know. Drive.
Like, I
जल्दी
just say 1000 ka bharo.
1 लीटर का भाव क्या है पेट्रोल का प्लीज बताओ.
See, if 1000 is. Thank you.
No, but how much is it?
हाँ से ना.
Like, let's say it's a
1000 is
random
like
number.
हाँ
half
से
tank.
रैंडम नंबर 1 लीटर का प्राइस क्या होगा पेट्रोल.
I don't want to make a fool of myself. I'll cut it out if I make a fool of myself.
जल्दी से.
Like 160 rupees.
Okay, you say.
I want to say like 120, 110.
It's 103.
110 is
Just
close.
by the way, 110 is the power petrol ka price.
Okay.
Oh, I was gonna say 60 or 70, but that was too
No.
cheap.
Yeah, that's too less for petrol nowadays.
You
Okay.
knew or what?
Yeah, of course I know petrol ka price. Okay.
These are dumb.
Second question.
Sorry.
PS5 price.
45,000.
Yeah, 50k.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. PS5 controller price.
5k.
Whoa, let's go. It's 4K
I'm doing
though.
research because I, might
But
have
it's
to buy
nice.
it.
Okay. Okay, what's the price of a two-wheeler Activa or a scooter?
70k, 80k, 1 lakh.
That's 70k, 80k is very less, bro. 1 lakh, 1.2.
It's y'all are
Similar.
close range.
Depends
like
on the brand.
yeah,
Yeah.
80k, 90k से start होता
Oh,
है. Okay.
yes.
Not bad.
Okay. What's the price of a 1 kg protein powder?
You're mad or what?
Protein powder का price?
800 rupees.
No.
More, like 2k?
Yeah. 2k onwards टाइम मतलब 1500-2000 तक का प्राइस.
Not
Okay.
bad. Too good. Let's go.
Okay.
Bro, protein
No,
is expensive.
matcha is so expensive then 30 grams of matcha, 30 grams cost like 1,000 rupees.
When is the last time you paid for matcha? Kanchi has lifetime supply of matcha, by the way. Chal, continue.
Okay. How much does it cost to make a puncture?
Hey, Kanchi, when you all were coming back from Kamshet, the tire got punctured and you all called a guy. So how much did he
called.
take? How much did he only did it? How much did he take?
I would say 150 rupees.
No,
You say-
like 200 rupees.
Depends. I mean, it's 100 to 400 के
Okay,
बीच में. But yeah,
yes.
ठीक है. Okay.
Because that day I came to the
ठीक है.
studio and my car went off. It wasn't punctured, but something happened to it. The battery died or something
Okay.
like that.
Okay. What is the average price of a bat?
Cricket bat, na?
Yeah.
You're mad.
I can 600 rupees.
Is this sasta
Not
bana?
plastic bat.
Okay,
so
so
What sasta?
हाँ,
season bat.
a normal bat, a wooden का bat, लकड़े का bat, जो bat हम
I wanna
खेलते
say
हैं.
like 6K or
Average
8K
price
or
starting from
1500.
yeah.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
not
I
1000
6K? Oh.
1000
know.
rupees से start होता है अच्छा bat को मतलब.
Yeah, my brother
Okay.
has a bat.
Indian team की jersey का price बताओ.
The official
The
Adidas.
Indian team jersey, the Adidas one, the fake one, and the original one.
The original one is 5k.
Yeah, 4K original.
Okay.
Yes.
And the fake one?
Fake
Will be
one can
600 or
anything,
something.
na?
No,
400, 600.
the Indian copy. The,
699.
हाँ 600 से 1000 के बीच में मिल जाएगा. Okay, crazy.
No, we are good at this. Other than the petrol.
What else is left?
Puncture.
Okay, last one. You all need to get this.
Okay.
Hot Wheels का price क्या है? One Hot Wheels, the
Like one car.
one छोटू car.
Bro, I feel it's expensive.
Even I think it's expensive.
It's not.
Like, is it like
Is it like 400 rupees?
really
Okay, you say
like 900,000?
200 to 600 के बीच में.
Eee,
Not bad.
nice.
Not bad.
Good
Not
job.
bad.
But the
Okay,
whole
good job,
thing-
guys. Good job, guys. Good job.
Yes.
Yeah.
That was actually fun and it was
Yeah.
interesting. Like I
Let's
It's
said,
a good game, Sahil.
yeah, I learned a
Follow.
lot. Hey, Sahil, think of some game ideas now for other episodes also and keep for 2026.
Okay, okay.
It's a good game.
Okay, okay.
Let's
Okay,
hire.
okay.
Let's hire him part of the team. Okay, time for Richie recommends, and as you know, we've switched it up. So recommend a cafe, restaurant, any place
Whoa.
in Bombay.
Because people
Okay.
are going to go out this week.
Christmas
Okay.
season.
It is a very nice hot take. Is that
Say hot take. बोल.
शिव सागर का खाना बहुत ही अच्छा आता है and they have genuinely nice desserts.
Hmm.
So शिव सागर is my recommendation.
The
शिव सागर.
actually the Shiv Sagar ka strawberry cream is insane.
iconic, yeah.
It's so good.
Even the strawberry milkshake.
I'm craving it right now.
Listen, after every concert, Sahil wants to go to Shiv Sagar.
Yeah.
This is a
No,
thing.
that's juice time.
Oh, Juice
Chaya.
Time is a nice place.
I've never
के
been to
desserts भी
Juice
बहुत
Time.
अच्छे हैं. उसका एक शेक है all rounder where they mix Kit Kat, Oreo, that Hershey's का chocolate, Ferrero Rocher,
This is what we said in the
Snickers, सबका में why crazy all rounder.
previous episode that when everything they make a beverage too much, it's just not tasting as good.
But he likes it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm switching it up from Shiv Sagar. My recommendation is Brunch and Cake. It's really nice. It's
It's
in
a
Lower
cute
Parel.
place.
It's a very cute place. It's like a vibe. Especially like season time, I feel like they will decorate really well. It'll be like a nice vibe. And they have a lot of like croissants and breakfast foods and like, you know, eggs. And
Cakes.
It's a, cakes. The
Mainly
cakes. The
they are
dessert is
cakes.
so good. The chocolate cake, cherry chocolate cake is yum. So yeah, go to Brunch and Cake.
My reco is I think quite viral already. Mokai, and the reason is the decor.
Yeah.
They go all out. I don't think any cafe goes to that extent. Like even like during Christmas, obviously they go decor. They go all out. But even during Chinese New Year and all, they
Yeah.
have these pandas hanging outside
That's
and
when
like
we had gone, I
lights
remember.
and everything. And one thing that's so good is the strawberry cream sandwich.
Yeah, that's a Japanese thing.
Yes,
na?
that's a Japanese kind of sandwich where you know it's like when you break it open, like you can see the strawberry popping out. Oh my god.
Yeah. I've seen pictures of this. It looks. We should go to Mokai.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool. That was our episode. Thank you, Sahil, for coming
That
on
was the
that.
last episode of the year.
Oh my god.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year and Happy New Year to those जो इस साल घर पे बैठ के अवार्ड शो देखने वाले हैं.
Oh god.
घर पे रहो भाई.
And I just forgot what I was saying.
I just forgot
Last
what I was
episode of the
saying.
year.
No, it was
Can you
important.
believe that our schedule for 2025 is over? No more pod shoots. Just
And we will
enjoy.
see you refreshed in 2026.
Yeah! Like, share, comment, subscribe. Listen to the pod on Spotify. Subscribe to us on YouTube. Follow us on Instagram. Follow Sahil on Instagram. And
Follow
what else?
Kanchi and Sahil on YouTube
Yes,
if you
if
want.
you all haven't seen Kanchi and Sahil's YouTube shorts, they are crazy. If you want game ideas to play with your friends, it's the best place to go to. It's actually very
thanks.
entertaining. Too good job, guys.
Thanks.
Follow them on YouTube and yeah, see you same time, same
Shut
place
up,
next
Sasuri
year.
Akal, take car,
Bro, it's so
and
crazy.
don't trouble your mother, man.
Why are you doing the Salman Khan Big Boss outro?
Dude, हद में रहना तू मेरे साथ.
Bye. Cut.